Rayman Can, I have a wall-mounted tool organizer kit right here, and this particularly just came from Temu, right? And we already have a problem right off the bat. As you can see, this piece right here came bent. Now, this may not be something Temu did, right? This may be how the shippers handled it, right? But this is some pretty heavy, thick steel actually, and look closely, you can see how it's damaged. But I'm gonna try, instead of returning it, I'm gonna see if I can still assemble this thing and get it together. So let's get started. So the tools likely needed to assemble and hang this tool rack is a hammer, level, drill, towel, Phillips drill bit, hex drill bit, impact driver, rolling knee creeper, also some vice grips and a rubber mallet to fix those bent pieces of metal. This is what all the parts look like out the plastic. Next thing we're gonna do is bend these pieces of metal with this towel, or at least try, and this metal is thicker than I thought because this is not working. So let's try our rubber mallet and vice grips. Now this looks a lot better, no need for a replacement. Now let's get on with the assemble process. Next thing to do is to install all of the shelves. There's gonna be 4 total. By the way, the 4th shelf, which really acts as a hanger, requires some assembly on its own. It requires 4 screws and a plate to keep it all together. At this point, all 4 are installed. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Final screw for the shelves. Now we're moving on to the next step, which is to figure out where we're going to hang this at on the wall. And we already have a spot, right? So we're going to put it right here. And so the first thing to do is mark out where you're going to put it on the wall. Make sure that it's nice and level. And then mark out your pilot hole spots with a pen or a pencil. Drill your pilot holes, install your screws, and then hang this thing onto the wall. There's only 4 spots to drill holes. For some strange reason, our 4th and final screw is going to require a drywall anchor. It's kind of odd because a stud should be there, but we can take care of that. Drill it in there. All right, from here the whole rack should slide on. And then hang down like so. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the attachments. You can customize these and put these wherever you want. This may not be the final spot where I'm gonna put these, but for now, this is gonna be my layout. That right there is the final attachment. And I'm being perfectly honest when I say this, you know, it feels pretty sturdy. I'm being very honest. The steel feels pretty thick. Nothing feels flimsy. It feels solid. It feels solid. Now let's add some tools. And there you have it. My overall opinion of this thing is that this is a great tool rack that saves a lot of space but does not take up a lot of space. It's pretty easy to assemble. All in all, it's probably going to take about 25 minutes to assemble with power tools. If you're using the included hex key that came with it, it's going to take a lot more time than that. But yeah, this is a great solid tool rack that will not break the bank. I will put some affiliate links down below for anyone that's interested in this. Questions or comments, please let me know. Take care. I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching. Am I the only one that just throws these away right away?